was dramatic. What's happening, guys? Welcome into today's lesson. I hope you're all well. Today's lesson is all about doubles and how we can build them and hopefully strengthen both sides to give us a nice clean double stroke roll that we can use on the kit. Now, before we do that, let's just do a bit of housekeeping as always. If you like this channel, if you like this video, please hit subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you know when I put out a new video and you don't miss out. Now, today's exercise is super simple. We're going to use a group of 3, starting with a single right hand and then 2 left hands. Now, that would be usually, maybe we could play that in triplets, something like this. 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet, 1 triplet, 2 triplet, 3 triplet, 4 triplet. That'll be fine, nothing fancy. We're going to play it in 16th notes though. So usually with a group of 3, you might end up playing 4 of them, followed by a group of 4. So something like 1 E and da, 2 E and da, 3 E and da, and then maybe a singles, 4 E and da. Make a great fill. Da, doog, 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 da, 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 pss. Like how many times you heard that. This one, what we're going to do is we're actually going to do it 5 times, which means it's going to take 15 of our 16th notes. 16th notes, by the way, are counted 1 E and da, 2 E and da, 3 E and da, 4 E and da, just in case you didn't know. And what we're going to do is, just at the end, we're going to put one single hit. Now, that is going to allow us to flip to the other side. This is an equalizer exercise. It means your left hand doubles are going to get just as strong as your right hand doubles because we're not just going to focus on one or the other. So we have an even strong double stroke roll. We don't want this. If that's our left hand and this as our right hand, we don't want that. We want it. Let me just demonstrate the first part. We're going to start with the right hand. It's going to go right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left. 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to hit one single right, right, and then straight onto the left. So left, right, right, left, right, right, left, right, 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 left. So 1 E and da, 2 E and da, 3 E and da, 4 E and da, 1 E and da, 2 E and da, 3 E and da, 4 E and da, 1. Now let's try that at a slow tempo. I'm going to go like 70. So da 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 da. Try and keep your left foot going, and then try and count out loud with 16th notes. But if you just need to sing like da 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 da, that's fine as well. So 1, 2, play along with me. Here we go. 1 E and da, 2 E and da, 3 E and da, 4 E and da, 1 E and da, 2 E and da, 3 E and da, 4 E and da, 1. Da, 1, da, 2, and if you want to mix it up, you count 8th notes. And 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3. Quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8ths. And. Now, before we move on to our goal tempo of 140 beats a minute, let's just have a quick chat about why we would actually do this particular exercise. Now, usually in doubles, if we're playing away, we would do 2 notes on the right hand, obviously, and then 2 notes on the left hand. That means that that right hand there has had 2 whole 16th notes of rest. It means it's just chilling there, it can almost reset, and we never really get that fatigue that we need to build muscles, build strength, and subsequently build speed. By removing 1 note of rest, so in this exercise that we just did, we've got 1 note of rest for the hand that is playing the double. Right, 1 right, and then 2 lefts. But then it's only got 1 right again before you're playing those 2 lefts. That means that you're having to do that motion, whether it's a drop catch, whether it's straight full wrist turns, whether it's like all fingers or like this inny-outy thing I see some guys do. Whatever technique you use to play your doubles, you're having to do that quicker and it becomes more of a workout, more of a builder, and therefore you will get stronger and you will get better. That's the aim. Now that we've talked about why we're doing that exercise, let's try it at 140 beats a minute. Got to play along with me? Now at this tempo, you could think slow. Do a half time foot, so it's on a half note. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you. Here we go. Subdivide. So that'll do us for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, remember, hit subscribe, hit like, share this video around, and film yourself doing this. Tag me on Instagram, and I'll catch you in the next lesson. See you next week.